being called some of the worst child porn that prosecutor has ever seen. And the sex offender who shared it was just sentenced to 285 years behind bars.
And tonight we're learning how a task force ended up tracking down Robbie Ray Miller. WLWT News 5's Daisy Kershaw talking with the Kenton County prosecutor after today's sentencing. Hi, Daisy.
Sheree, Mike, police say the videos Robbie Ray Miller shared involved children younger than 12. The prosecutor says he did everything he could in court to make sure Miller would serve the maximum sentence.
Towards the end of 2024, Covington Police Detective Nikki Brown received a tip that a user of the Kik messaging platform was uploading videos depicting child sexual assault material to other Kik users into group chats.
That detective is on a task force for the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. She worked with the prosecutor's office to put Robbie Ray Miller behind bars.
He had in fact been the person responsible for all of these videos of CSAM, some of the worst CSAM that we've seen. There were 10 different videos depicting child sexual assault. Of those 10 videos, 9 of them the jury found were obviously under the age of 12 years old. These videos range in length from dozens of seconds to several minutes long.
The crimes happened in late 2024. Investigators traced the IP address to a Covington apartment. The owner said Miller had lived there. Neighbors told police he moved to Ohio, where police made the arrest.
After being booked into the Kenton County Detention Center, Mr. Miller made a call to his then girlfriend. He had talked about the fact that the police detective had seized his phone and said the only way they're going to get me is that they get my internet records.
Investigators already had. Miller is now sentenced to 285 years in prison.
Now the jury obviously was very critical of Mr. Miller and his behavior. They spoke loud and clear that they take child sexual assault very seriously in Kenton County, and they were going to show him no mercy.
Per Kentucky state law, Miller will be eligible for parole in 20 years, but the prosecutor says they made a strong case, and he believes that Miller will spend the rest of his life behind bars. Reporting live tonight from the Kenton County Courthouse, Daisy Kershaw, WLWT News.